In many ways, the 24th chromosome, one thing it is the Akashic record of the soul. Everything you've ever lived, every lifetime you've ever lived, is in your 24th chromosome as a memory. It's there as a printed memory. You have recorded memory of everything you've ever lived as a soul, not just in this incarnation, but in every incarnation that you've held in form. And so as we start to open up our connection to the 24th chromosome, one of the things we start to become really aware of is alternate lives, past lives, sometimes even future lives. So you'll be aware of memories of other incarnational experiences that are all in there and part of you. And they're as real as everything you're living in this body and in this incarnation. But the magic about it is while you're in this body and in this incarnation, you have free access to the memory and everything that was part of that experience while you're in this body. And so this is one element of multidimensionality. So for example, if you have a past life memory where you achieved certain healing talents, or you had a certain knowledge, or you worked with energy, or you worked with herbs in nature, or you worked with children, I mean, you name it. We all have lifetimes where we've been doing other things. There are all kinds of other skills and abilities that have been developed through the many incarnations that our soul has. And we also, this is really kind of freaky, but it's true. We also have future lives that we're going to live if we think about time. But we already have access to the energy and information contained in those lives. And so we can actually even touch future potential. We can actually touch the future and let that information, let that energy also bleed back into consciousness. And the reason that's so valuable is because it helps us model right now the energy that we need to create that future potential. So it's kind of coming to us in an inspirational kind of a form. So we'll receive insights and imprints and, pulses and codes that help us understand the energy that we are becoming as we move forward in this sequence of perceived time.